Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're talking about a concealer that promises to tackle all your complexion concerns with a creamy formula, medium coverage, and a soft matte finish. The Iredale PureMatch Liquid Concealer. Whether you're trying to mask dark circles, even out your skin tone, or define your features, this product claims to do it all. Let's dive into whether it really holds up. The Iredale PureMatch Concealer comes in a liquid form designed to be suitable for all skin types. It promises medium coverage, making it perfect for concealing imperfections, brightening up the skin, and even offering some sculpting benefits. The formula features a soft matte finish, and it's meant to deliver long-lasting wear, so you don't have to worry about touch-ups throughout the day. In terms of application, the liquid texture feels lightweight, gliding on smoothly. It comes with a precision tip applicator, which allows you to apply it precisely to areas where you need coverage, like under the eyes, around the nose, or on any blemishes. You can also use the flat side of the applicator to cover larger areas like your cheeks or forehead. The shade I tested, 2N, blends effortlessly into my skin, providing an even, natural finish. Now let's talk about performance. In daily use, this concealer impressed me with its ability to cover dark circles without feeling heavy or cakey. It brightens the under-eye area beautifully, and the medium coverage is enough to mask imperfections like redness or minor blemishes. However, it's important to note that the semi-matte finish means it's not the most hydrating formula out there, so if you have very dry skin or fine lines, you may want to prep your skin with a good moisturizer or primer. When it comes to wear time, this product stands up pretty well. It lasts through most of the day, holding up without much fading or creasing. However, it's worth mentioning that if you're prone to oily skin or sweat, you might notice some shine peeking through by the afternoon. A light touch of setting powder can easily solve that though. The texture of the concealer is creamy, but it's not so thick that it feels heavy. It's buildable too, which is great for areas that need a bit more coverage, like blemishes or darker spots. For the price, it feels like a high-quality product, but let's dive into whether the value really matches the cost. Considering its performance, the Iredale PureMatch Concealer is certainly on the pricier side compared to drugstore options. However, for a high-end brand known for its clean and skin-friendly ingredients, it's reasonable. The product offers a reliable level of coverage and wear time that you would expect from a premium product. If you're willing to invest in a good concealer that blends well, feels lightweight, and provides long-lasting results, this could be a solid choice. As far as comparisons go, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are a few options like the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer or the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer that perform similarly, but without the same luxurious feel or ingredients. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and easy to use. The precision tip applicator allows for targeted application, and the liquid formula dispenses without wasting product. While it's not the most innovative packaging out there, it's functional and doesn't leak, which is always a win in my book. Now let's talk about customer support. Iredale's reputation for customer service is solid. Their products come with a satisfaction guarantee, and their team is responsive to inquiries. If you ever have issues or need product guidance, their support staff will likely provide helpful and friendly assistance. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, some budget-friendly concealers can give you decent results at a fraction of the price. However, if you're after a product that offers clean ingredients and a more luxurious experience, Iredale PureMatch could be worth the investment. To wrap it up, the Iredale PureMatch Liquid Concealer offers solid medium coverage, a soft matte finish, and impressive wear time, all while being easy to apply. The price may be on the higher end, but if you're looking for a high-quality, reliable concealer with a clean formula, it's worth considering. Would I recommend it? Yes, especially if you have normal to slightly dry skin and want a concealer that gives you both coverage and a natural finish. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.